To allow an app to use your approximate location on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable use precise location option within the app permission setting. To do so, go to the app screen, find the required app. As the example, we will try with Samsung Internet app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Under privacy section, tap permission. Tap location. And then tap the blue on off switch next to use precise location until the switch turns green to turn it off. With this setting, the selected app, in this case Samsung Internet app, will just be allowed to know and use your device approximate location, or the app can tell your device is in area about 3 square kilometers. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.